Developed in collaboration with the University of Cambridge, Hey Math was founded in the year 2000 with the mission of supporting the work of teachers. Hey Math's core competencies are curriculum expertise and rich pedagogy, backed by hands-on professional development support for teachers.
They do look forward to using Hey Math because it's visual, a lot of visuals, and it's fun.
My K1 level students, they also enjoy it, and I find it very useful.
It's really useful. It's not coming from the lip, it's coming from the heart. It's an honest confession. Definitely the children will be benefited if you're going to use it constructively.
We are confident that our program will motivate educators and students alike and inculcate a positive attitude about all learning.
The activities were very interesting, especially when you show us moving from the concrete to the abstract, and you can see the teachers are also enjoying whatever that they are doing.
This was the first workshop that was really concrete and practical. It was on the level of the learners, so we can really use it in class. If all our schools in South Africa can have Hey Maths, we are definitely going to improve the average of all the grades in the schools. I'm sure of that.
I find the whole content area that I've presented here sexually relevant. For me, I benefited.
Thank you for everything that you did, and thank you for the way that you sparkled here and get us going, and thank you for the wonderful work. And it is, I also believe that this work that you showed us today, we must take that to our schools, and we must go and do that with our children. Thank you so much.
I recommended it highly to all the schools. It makes the classes much more easy and more interesting. So it's very good to have it.
So far this looks like a really cool program and I'm excited to use it. From what I've seen so far, it looks like one of the nicest things the government's ever got for us.
I think any teacher in South Africa will be able to use it in his class.
I use the program literally every day. I would advise that every teacher also uses the program every day. The topics that were very successful for me was the geometrical part with the 3D and 2D shapes, where you can show them the actual faces, vertices, edges, and then also how the object rotates.
Now we are doing 65 multiplied by 65. We first say 5 multiplied by 5, which is going to give you 25, and then write 25 as it is here. 6 multiplied by 7, and then gives you 42, and then write 42 here. And this is the correct answer. The activities I did today, I think that it was fun, and I enjoyed it a lot, and today I learned a lot from Hey Math, the high mathematics people, and I just want to thank you for this, because today I gained something that I didn't have.
It helps me a lot, not only just to understand the experiment better, but the topic electrical circuits, I now understand it so much better.
So what I can say is that it's a very awesome app.